It's 12:10 and I just did a live stream and yeah, I don't feel any better. My body still hurts, my arm is still in agony, and I don't feel like doing anything, which I hate. I hate the feeling of I don't want to do anything because I need to do things. That's the point. These things are fun. These are camcorders, and if you don't have a camcorder to play around with, I highly suggest you should go pick up a camcorder because these things are literally like your third birthday being filmed. This is where it's at here. I'm about to have a little bit of fun with this. Ultimate movie zone to watch movies because we're both so tired.
Tell me what is best for me. I want to know.
Got the movie playing, got lunch, tuna, avocado with hoisin sauce and everything, bagel seasoning, and some coffee. Try to get out of this mood, bro. Be careful if y'all getting that COVID shot. Make sure you do it on the weekend. Guys, look at my shoulder. You guys see where they stabbed me? I mean, the lady wasn't even nice about it. She just like stood up and like kind of underclinged it and just did it like that, and then took the next one and did it. She didn't even like flick out the air bubbles. There's probably air bubbles in there. That's probably why it hurts so much. But yeah, it's like all inflamed. Never going to that CVS again. Or getting a COVID shot.
Help.
My beautiful girlfriend.
Help.
Okay. Taco bowls, kind of. Plates, I don't know. Eating, always, check. So I'm going on a little walk. Get some city footage, but also I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm gonna walk. Cause why not, you know? Like Philly, like with those views, what? Also, I think there was like some fine art thing where it's like local artists are trying to sell their stuff. Quite interesting. I didn't know I was gonna run into that. Haley made some lava cake. Damn, that's big ass pieces.
It's for us to eat, to share.
Because we don't have any more plates.
Oh, I started the dishwasher.